Good morning everyone, Mike again here, and today's tutorial we're going to talk about YouTube library. What is YouTube library? YouTube library is where you could get free music, free background music for your videos provided by YouTube. Well, YouTube didn't make it, but there are some artists who are willing to, donate some of their craft through YouTube, and YouTube is sharing it to us. So that's basically it, guys. And the good thing about this is that it's free, and you will not be dinged for copyright infringement, right? Right, and it's legit because it's coming from YouTube, so there's nothing to worry about, right? All right, so again, we just have to click our best friend YouTube Studio right here on this side. Okay, and yeah, first things first, I want you to please make sure that you're logged in to your account, to your YouTube channel before you could do this. So let's go ahead, click on YouTube Studio. And by the way, I am doing this on my computer right now. Okay, let's just have to wait. Alright, anyway, on the left side, left panel, I want you to please scroll it down. There you go, and look for audio library. That's it. That's the one right here. All we have to do is to click on it. And there you go. Oops. Here's the list of the available and free songs that you can download and use for your videos. And just like what I said, it's free, and it's legit because it's coming from YouTube. So you can actually select genre here from this drop down. You could have, you have alternative punk and so on and so forth. It's all up to you which genre you're looking for. And mood, angry, inspirational, romantic, sad, calm, etc., etc. How about instrument? You can actually specifically select a certain instrument like piano, strings, electric guitar. Duration, this is very important too, duration. I will discuss later on why this duration here is very important, especially if you are trying to change something in case you have already dinged for copyright infringement. You will know that later on, but that's a little bit advanced. In the meantime, let's go ahead and focus on this first. There are songs here that requires you to give credit to the owner. Now, for example, the owner of this song or of this music is Unicorn Heads. Some music or some of these songs here on the list requires you, it would tell you anyway. So once you click this display button, there's actually a message here saying that, hey, you may want to give credit to me as the creator of this background music or this music. So just do so. Just a manner of giving respect to that guy who created that song for you guys. All right. And if you want to use this song, all you have to do is to download this right here on the far right. Click on the download. Let me show you. Or the down arrow, which indicates a download. And here it is. In case you already dinged for copyright infringement and you want to change that music out of that video, I'm going to teach you on the next video, guys. Alright, so um, I think that is it for now. Just wait for that video because I want to discuss topic by topic. I don't want to make two topics on one video so it will be easier for you guys to learn. Thank you so much again for watching. This is again Mike. And by the way, we are at 329 subscribers. Jeez, thank you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.